Hello, today we will guide you through how to select multiple clips in CapCut. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn a simple way to select more than one clip inside a CapCut project. This is especially helpful when you want to move several clips together, organize your timeline more efficiently, or prepare multiple items for editing at the same time. The process is straightforward, and once you know it, it can save you a lot of time during editing. To begin, open the CapCut app on your computer. Make sure the program is fully loaded so you can access your editing workspace without interruptions. If CapCut takes a moment to open, just wait until the home screen or main editor appears. Once the app is open, go ahead and open a sample project. This can be any project that already contains multiple clips in the timeline. The goal here is simply to have a few clips visible so you can practice selecting them. If you are following along with your own content, that works just as well. As long as the project has several clips placed in the timeline, you'll be ready for the next step. Now that your project is open, look at the timeline where your clips are arranged. To select multiple clips, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold Control, click on each clip you want to include in your selection. Each clip you click while holding the key should become part of the group selection. Take your time with this part so you can clearly see which clips are being selected. This method is useful because it allows you to choose only the specific clips you need rather than selecting everything in a row. It gives you more precision, especially when working on larger projects with many separate pieces of media. If a clip does not get selected, make sure you are still holding the Control key before clicking. Also, try clicking directly on the clip in the timeline rather than near it. Small details like that can make the selection process much smoother. And that's it. You've now learned how to select multiple clips in CapCut by opening the app, loading a project, and using the Control key while clicking the clips you want. It's a quick technique, but it can make your editing workflow much faster and more organized.